Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to Cooking with Efya. Today we're making something soft, milky and absolutely delicious. Yes, we're making milk cookies. If you love that melt in your mouth rich milky flavor, then this recipe is for you. It's perfect for tea time, snack time, or anything sweet craving moment. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Linda. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into it. First thing first, I added my margarine into a clean mixing bowl. You can use either salted or unsalted margarine or either butter and you are good to go. Just make sure it's room temperature so it's soft and easy to work with. Now give it a good mix until it's nice and very soft. I'm using my hand wicks to do this. You can also use your wooden spoon to beat the margarine till it's soft, fluffy, until the margarine becomes very pale yellow in color. That's how you know the base is ready. Next, I'll add some sugar. I'm using regular granulated sugar, but if you prefer a lighter texture, you can even try icing sugar and it works perfectly fine. Mix it very well into the margarine until everything becomes creamy and well blended. Alright, so take your time here. We want the sugar to dissolve properly and give that perfect light texture at the end. Now for the rich milk flavor, I added in some milk powder. You can also use evaporated milk and you are good to go. Next, I also go in with some salt to taste and a little bit of baking powder. Kindly make sure not to use too much of baking powder. Just enough to give the cookies a nice lift while baking is enough, okay? Now, I also added in a little bit of Cerelac, which is milk and maize Cerelac. You can omit it, but you just don't need to omit it as well. It gives the cookies a very nice crunch and a very nice milky flavor. I also added a bit more of the milk powder because I needed these cookies to be very rich. I also added in a little bit of pineapple extract to give that rich aroma that we all want, okay? Now it's time to bring everything together. I'll go in with my all-purpose flour bit by bit and I'm sifting to make sure everything is nice and well smooth. We don't want to add in any unwanted particles in this recipe at all, okay? So sifting it right now is very important. After sifting everything together, I'll go in with my spatula and I'll stir everything together until all is nice and well incorporated. Now, as that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. So once the dough is nice and ready, I will cover it with some cling film or plastic wrap. This will help prevent it from drying out, okay? Pop it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Chilling helps the dough firm up, which makes it very easy to shape later. So now let's keep it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, as I said, until it's nice and ready. After chilling, remove the dough from the fridge, place it on your working surface and begin to roll out the dough. Not too thin and not too thick as well. Just about half an inch is perfect. At this point, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring video as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now it's time to cut. You can use any cookies cutter of your choice. Today I use some cut shapes, but feel free to be creative. If you don't have cutters, no worry, just use a small cup or a lid or any beautiful shape that you have and you are good to go. Alright, so here is a little trick. Take a fork and gently poke holes on top of each cookie. This helps them bake evenly and gives a beautiful homemade touch. Just look at how beautiful the cookies is turning out. You're looking very beautiful and very neat. Once everything is done, we're going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. And your girl is on all social media platforms, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, just everywhere. Just follow me there at Cooking with Efya and let's vibe over there beautifully. I do share easy and amazing recipes over there as well. I'll be glad to see you there. Now it's time for us to arrange our cookies neatly on our baking tray. Yes, just the way you see it on your screens right now. Also make sure to give them spaces so that they can bake beautifully. Now we're going to bake this for about 12 to 15 minutes. Yes, so I baked this on 150 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes, and as you can see, the cookies looks very milky and perfect. Once the cookies are out, let them cool down completely before you enjoy it, and the smell alone will let you know they are ready. Trust me, it smells really good in here. Now let's see how the inside looks like. As you can see, the texture looks so perfect. Crispy edges, soft milky center, just the way I want it. All you have to do is to trust the process and you're going to love it. Let me also know in the comment section what you think about this milky cookies. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and I'll be glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a recipe here on Cooking with Efya. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now and enjoy your milk cookies. Bye.